We have a 15-year-old composite front door that's looking a bit tired and dated. It's red, the paint is faded, and the fitments are broken or shabby. The broken letterbox is drafty. The leaded glazing is old-fashioned and makes the inside dark. This video will show you how to repaint the door and reglaze the panels. As you can see, I've removed the door knocker and the letterbox, and then I sprayed it with some sugar soap here, and I'm just giving it a clean off now. Wash the door off, allow it to dry, then use your light keying sand. I'm using a 300-400 grade sandpaper here. Final clean off to get any residue from the sanding. I'm only going to paint the outside of the door grey because it'll make the house too dark internally. I'm going to leave the inside white. So here again, I only need to do it up to the edge. I've masked off the edge with masking tape as well to get the same crisp edge that the door had originally between the red and the white, but this will be with my new colour. Now I'm replacing my glass panels, so technically I don't have to do it, but for the video I've shown how you'd mask off the glass panel before you started applying any paint. And to get a nice crisp edge on the inside of the door or the edge that you open it, again I've masked that. And to get a really neat job, I've removed the door handle. Now I'm ready to start priming. So there we are. The first coat of primer is done. And here we are with the fourth coat of primer undercoat on, waiting for it to dry completely before I can put the grey colour on. I used the valspar stain block primer undercoat because I had it available. As the door's already painted, technically I don't need a primer. I could have moved straight onto an undercoat. If I'd used the Dulux undercoat on the right, I probably would have got away with 2 coats. So now it's the time to put on the grey paint. I've got this Santex 10-year exterior satin, which is suitable. Just got to give it a light key with some 300 grade paper. And here's the first coat of grey on the door, and it's not looking too bad. And here's the door from the outside. Nice finish, quite a difference.